Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel, Faith by Design. My name is Imani, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today, we will be doing a home binder cash stuffing, $5 at a time. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then please keep watching. Okay, you guys, so I hope everyone is doing well today. As stated, I will be doing the cash stuffing of my home binder. I have $5 bills and it totals $60 today. I have one die that I'll be using to fill these binders so that we can save slowly but surely in a fun way for our home expenses. So if you are new here, this is my lovely home binder that I love to stuff. And I took the envelopes out just to switch it up, and it kind of reminds me of Mini Monday a little bit, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to roll a die and we're going to see what number it lands on, and all of the numbers are already on the envelopes. And so we have 1 is household, 2 furniture, 3 is repairs, 4 utilities, 5 home maintenance, and 6 renovation. And I will go ahead and gather up all of these 5s and we're just going to get started. So how are you all doing? I hope you're doing well today. Thank you so much for all of my new subscribers. I really appreciate you deciding to subscribe to my channel. And thank you to all of my returning subscribers who continue to show your support. I really appreciate it so much. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and roll the first one. And we have a 4. So that's utilities, and we would like to get a month ahead on all of our bills, but we're starting with utilities. 4 again. Wow, okay. We're off to a great start. All right, you all. So the Olympics are over. 5 in home renovation, and I am so sad to see it go. I really enjoy watching the Olympics, track, swimming, gymnastics, of course. And I ran track in high school, so I just always leave very inspired by just watching all of the athletes perform, whether you're in the USA or in another country. I just love seeing the coming together and competing and all of that. So yeah, kind of sad it's over, but it was fun. There were some little things that of course were controversial, but it was still a good time. 4 again. So it seems like everything here is going towards utilities. So we can get a month ahead sooner rather than later. It's my daughter's second week of school, so 5 in maintenance. So we've started back school this second week and everything is going well. She's loving her new school and I'm loving it too. 2, okay, this is the first time furniture gets a 5. Are your kids back in school? Let me know down below. 1, so 1 is household. You may hear my dog in the background as well. She's scratching. 2 is furniture as well. Okay, 4 again, 4 utilities. And we have 1 more $5 bill. 3 is repairs. Okay, so you all, I have a confession to make. So I did have to re-record this. I had already filmed this previously, but I realized that there was no sound. And I wanted to do a voiceover, but I decided against that because it already sounded like it wasn't going to be a great idea for me to do that. And I also was going to just talk through what I wrote, but I decided against that as well. So I refilmed it. This time repairs didn't get much, but the last time it got $15. So kind of bummed about that, but it's okay. So we will be seeing what we have so far in these envelopes. Okay, so we have household has 10. So what I had to do was just white everything out and start again. So it looks like household got the same amount it got last time, which is $10. So now household has 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, $40. I did finish my puzzle. I'll leave a screenshot so you can see One puzzle piece was missing, so I'm not exactly sure where that went, but we worked on it for about a good 2 weeks. It's actually my youngest daughter's puzzle that my husband got for her birthday, and we started out doing it, and then she kind of grew tired of working on it, so I kind of just made it a goal to finish. And then my middle daughter decided to help me, so we got it done. So we have $10 in furniture. And so now furniture has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So it looks like furniture got what it received the last time I did this, which was maybe about 30 minutes ago. So 245, and we will have $5 more before we can color in another couch. So that's exciting. The goal here is $500, and this tracker is from Dee's Digital World. I'll leave her down below as always. Next up is repairs. So I believe last time it got 15, but because I had to re-record, now it only received $5. It's okay. All right, so repairs now has 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 10, 15, 20, 420, and we are looking to save our first $500 into repairs, and after that we will get it to 1,000 because we want to have a separate fund for home repairs. Next up this is where all the money went today, utilities. So utilities got 10 last time, or not 10 last time. It got 10 when I filmed this the first time. So now it has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 in utilities. So that is a nice jump. So let's see. Now we might be able to color in another icon actually. Now utilities has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 255. We already colored in an icon when I filmed this earlier. So I think we are able to, that's it. We don't have to color in another one. We have $5 more, and then we can color in another light bulb. All right, maintenance. So maintenance received $5 today. And now maintenance has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 105. That's great. We use maintenance for any services we have that we have to continue to get done around the house, like pest control. We have tree and shrubbery. Sometimes we also see pests there, and we have to have them spray bushes and all of those things. So that can add up quickly. $5 went to bathroom renovation. And so now it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 25, 30, 35, 135 in bathroom renovation. So we are all set. This was fun. I always enjoy stuff in my home binder. All right, thank you all so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this cash stuffing. I look forward to chatting with you down in the comments, and thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. I really appreciate it, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, be blessed, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.